In modular cloning, your overhangs dictate the efficiency, fidelity, and specificity of your assembly. But not all overhangs are created equal. The efficiency of the Golden Gate reaction is governed by two distinct forces: duplex stability and ligation fidelity. Duplex stability: high GC overhangs form significantly stronger bonds than AT-rich sequences. In a multipart assembly, these energy differences can cause uneven ligation rates across junctions. Ligation fidelity: as discovered, the real danger is crosstalk, where overhangs differing by only a single nucleotide lead to misassemblies. You need overhangs stable enough to ligate at low temperatures, but distinct enough to avoid off-target ligation. To simplify this, the synthetic biology community has converged on standardized sets for MoClo and Golden Braid 2.0. These sets are pre-validated for high fidelity. If you move beyond these sets, use the NE-bridge ligase fidelity tools to predict your success. Also, as we push toward level 3, junction choice becomes the primary limiting factor. Can you reuse overhangs? It depends on whether you are looking at horizontal or vertical reusability. When it comes to horizontal reusability, MoClo modules are assigned specific slots, each with a specific overhang. Standardizing these junctions allows you to swap any slot without a redesign the assembly. You cannot reuse an overhang across different slots here. Doing so breaks the library logic and, more importantly, creates misassembled constructs. In the case of vertical reusability, you can reuse, for example, a level 0 overhang for a level 2 assembly, since Golden Gate is a one-way reaction. During assembly, the type 2s recognition sites are physically removed. Since the enzyme is no longer present, that overhang cannot be released again, making it available for the next assembly. Domestication. MoClo will fail if any of your parts contains internal type 2s sites, as the reaction will digest them during assembly. These must be removed, typically via site-directed mutagenesis. For the specific bench protocol and primer design strategies, including handling complex cases, refer to my previous video, Site-Directed Mutagenesis, from single to multi-site assembly. Once domesticated, your part is ready to be assembled. Cloning a functional part into level 0. To integrate a functional unit, you first clone it into a level 0 empty vector, typically via Golden Gate. These backbones function as destination vectors with type 2s sites in an outward orientation. You amplify your functional unit using PCR primers that incorporate flanking sites and overhangs oriented inward. This ensures the recognition sites are cleaved and removed during the reaction, leaving only the functional unit behind. For larger or more complex inserts, Gibson assembly remains a viable alternative for this initial entry step. If you found this overview helpful, or if you have questions about specific junction designs, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy cloning.